Now, the measurements she gives in the pattern don't work for this, because it's not just the snap you're putting on, it's this whole thing you're putting on. So I've just found the center, and I went up about an inch. So this was an inch away. It wasn't sitting on the edge, because on this side I want this to be about an inch up, more decorative, right? So I went up about an inch, and I put my marks in for my 2 slits, and I'm going to poke those through. And I also marked 3 of these screw holes here. Can't find them now, but I know they're there. Oop, there's one. Yeah, that's the wrong one. This is going to take me a while. One of these things, there, I found it. So there's 3 screw holes marked, and I'm going to put my snap through like this, and then push it through the holes. I'm not going to use any Peltex because I've already got foam here that I have to poke through too. And then you can feel the prongs will come through here, and then you put this on and bend them back. And then of course now you have to hide this ugly thing sitting there. So you put this on top, and it has to line up with the screw holes of this piece. So once I get this on top, I'll click it on, and I'll use the screws to put the 2 pieces together so that it looks, you know, it'll look okay on this side. It'll be a nice little flower. And on this side, it'll be really nice with the ornamental flower. And so I'm going to very carefully fuss away, opening up those 2 slits. Actually, the screw holes will be easier. I've got a really skinny little awl that I can poke right through and work from both sides, and it'll get it open. So that shouldn't be too difficult. So I'm going to take a moment, and I'm going to put my holes in so I can show you how it goes together. There, I've got my snap in for this side. It's amazing how scary it is just to put 2 little slits in here. And now I have to put in 3 more little holes so that I can screw this on to this. So I'm going to poke those holes through now and then screw it on. And when I screw it on, I'm going to use some glue in the screw holes too, just to make me feel better. But otherwise, that's how it'll look in the end. So I'm going to push 3 more holes through and screw this on. Okay, I put in my 3 little screw holes and pushed this through and screwed it on. And I stuck some glue in the screw hole before I screwed it on. And I actually found my Japanese punch here made bigger holes that were just big enough and helped for this snap to make some really nice holes, so I could use that. So now we're going to put the snap on this part of it here and move my mark up 1/2 inch, and I'll put in my, can't pick it up. We'll draw the little lines, poke it through, put this on and this on, and then we will be done. Okay, holes, prongs, a little bit of Peltex, a washer I can never pick up, and let's shove this closed. I might hammer it if I'm not strong enough to push it down. I will hammer it because it's sticking up, and I don't like it sticking up. And then I'll put some tape on it.